Looking for the best golf set to improve your game in 2026? Whether you're a complete beginner or an experienced golfer ready for an upgrade, we've got you covered. In today's video, we're counting down the top 5 best golf sets of 2026, carefully selected based on performance, forgiveness, quality, value for money, and overall customer satisfaction. Stick around until the end to discover which golf set takes the #1 spot. And if you find a set you like, check out the product links in the description below for the latest prices and more details. Now let's get started. 5. Precise M5 Men's Golf Set. The M5 Complete 14-piece golf set is an outstanding choice for right-handed golfers looking for a high-quality, all-in-one package at an affordable price. Featuring a full-size 460cc titanium driver, this set delivers impressive forgiveness and long-distance performance off the tee, making it ideal for beginners and intermediate players alike. The oversized club heads, cavity back irons, and low center of gravity inspire confidence by helping produce straighter, more consistent shots even on off-center hits. With a complete selection of clubs, including a driver, fairway wood, hybrid, irons, putter, sandbag, and 3 premium head covers, everything you need is ready to play right out of the box. Available in regular, short, and tall shaft lengths, the M5 ensures a comfortable fit for golfers of different heights. Offering excellent performance, convenience, and exceptional value, this set is a fantastic investment for anyone looking to improve their game or searching for the perfect golf gift. 4. Wilson Profile Platinum. The Wilson Profile Platinum Men's Complete Golf Set is an outstanding choice for golfers looking for premium performance, forgiveness, and value in one package. This 10-club set features high-quality materials combined with Wilson's advanced engineering to help players improve every aspect of their game. The driver comes with a durable black PVD finish that minimizes glare while delivering exceptional distance off the tee. A forgiving 5-wood and easy-to-hit 5 hybrid with a tip-reinforced graphite shaft provide a larger sweet spot for longer, more consistent shots. The perimeter-weighted irons feature a thin, responsive face and a low center of gravity, promoting higher launch, greater distance, and improved accuracy, even on off-center strikes. Completing the set is a heel-toe weighted putter with an anti-glare finish, strong alignment aids, a soft grip, and an offset face design that enhances control and confidence on the greens. Overall, the Wilson Profile Platinum set is an excellent option for beginners and intermediate golfers seeking reliable performance, increased distance, and greater consistency on the course. 3. PGM 15-piece Complete Golf Club Set. This complete right-handed golf club set is an excellent choice for beginners and casual golfers looking for performance, forgiveness, and value in one package. The set includes everything needed to hit the course, featuring 2 woods, #1 and #3, a #4 hybrid, 7 stainless steel irons, #5 to SW, a precision mallet putter, and a lightweight sandbag. The driver delivers powerful, high-launch shots with a large sweet spot that enhances distance and accuracy, while the hybrid provides the perfect balance of control and forgiveness for longer, straighter shots. The high-strength stainless steel irons offer impressive accuracy, soft feel, and consistent ball flight thanks to their low center of gravity design. Completing the set, the low CG mallet putter features alignment aids that improve stability and help golfers achieve smoother, more accurate putts. Overall, this complete golf club set combines quality construction, ease of use, and excellent performance, making it a smart investment for anyone starting their golfing journey. 2. Aspire XD1 Men's 14-piece Golf Set. The complete 14-piece golf set is an excellent choice for beginners and recreational golfers looking for a high-quality, all-in-one package. It includes everything needed to hit the course, from a forgiving 460cc titanium alloy driver and versatile fairway wood to a hybrid, stainless steel cavity back irons, and a well-balanced putter with an alignment aid for improved accuracy. The lightweight graphite shafts on the woods help generate smooth, powerful swings, while the True Temper steel shafts on the irons provide dependable control and consistency. The deluxe dual-strap sandbag offers plenty of storage, a rain hood, and matching head covers to keep your clubs protected. With options for right or left-handed players, regular or tall sizing, and attractive blue or red color choices, this set delivers impressive value, performance, and convenience for golfers of all skill levels. 1. Callaway Golf Strata. The Callaway Golf Strata Complete Golf Set is an excellent all-in-one package designed for beginners and casual golfers who want quality, convenience, and value. Available in both men's and women's versions, this complete set includes everything needed to get started on the course, featuring a forgiving driver, fairway wood, hybrid, irons, putter, and a lightweight sandbag. The clubs are engineered to provide impressive distance, accuracy, and forgiveness, making it easier for new players to build confidence with every swing. The lightweight, durable construction and stylish design add to its appeal, while the included sandbag offers plenty of storage and comfortable carrying. Whether you're learning the game or looking for an affordable upgrade, the Callaway Strata Complete Golf Set delivers reliable performance and exceptional value, making it one of the best starter golf sets available today. Thanks for watching our Top 5 Best Golf Sets 2026. We hope this guide helped you find the perfect set to improve your game, whether you're just getting started or looking to upgrade your equipment. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest product reviews and buying guides. You'll find links to all the golf sets featured in this video in the description below, so you can easily check the latest prices, availability, and customer reviews. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.